All right, beautiful you family, I am about to show you guys how I take off my makeup. I use this makeup wipe for my face, and I am about to take it off. First, I always take off my eyelashes first, because these eyelashes, they are good. I can reuse them. So I take them off and I will rinse it off with a little bit of water. Done rinsing it, this is the pack of eyelashes that I have. I'm going ahead to put it back like that, and I'm showing you guys, I'm going ahead to put it back, and I will have it air dry. Usually it doesn't take long for it to dry. After I am done, I just fan it a little bit, and when I'm done, I close it all up. Okay, so the next step is, since I use these crystals, I'm gonna come closer to the camera. I take it off because usually I add a little bit of glue so that it will be able to stick. So that's it. Take that off and take that off. I have been wearing this for a long time now, so it is always good if you want your makeup to stay on for a long time. I'm telling you, sis, make sure you spray your face. You set it setting spray. It doesn't matter, I think, what setting spray you have, but make sure you spray it. When you spray it, girl, check this out. This is still looking so fresh. Okay, so after I am done with that, I'm going ahead to open my makeup wipe and the wipe, and going 1, going 2, going 3. I don't want to wipe this bad boy out, but guess what? We have to wipe it up. So I always start by wiping off my eyeshadow like that, and I'll go ahead on that side and gently I add my eyebrows to it. Take as much as you can off, because we don't want to waste these wipes. So again, my eye, this is how it looks like, right? So there are some parts that we didn't really use, so I'm gonna go this after I use this to wipe my cheek and also my forehead. I don't want to use the same wipe on my eye, because you know it's your face and it's a lot of germs that can get in the wipe, so you don't want to use the dirty wipe on your eye or in the corners of your eye. You always want to use a clean one. All right, so once I'm done with that, I have a clean wipe. So with the clean wipe again, I'm going to use it for my eye first. And you can see I'm wiping from the inner corner to the outer part, right? Because we don't want to go that way, because if there is any germs or, like I said, anything on it which is not good, we don't want to bring it over to our eye. So again, I'm going ahead to wipe this as well. So this is my pen that I'm using. I'm going over my forehead. Okay. All right, beautiful you family, when you are done, you can go ahead and rinse your face, or use if you have like a face wash that you use, you can go ahead and use it. But I recently bought this because I don't have, so to be honest, I don't really use any product. After you are done, you can use like a clean wipe if you prefer it, or let's say if you have like a face scrub that you use, you can go ahead. So I usually put a little bit on my face, and I use my wipe to wash my face off. Well, oh, this burns. It burns. Okay, so after you see all that dirt, even though I use all my wipe to wipe it, so again I am going ahead to wash, and I'm going to use water type. I'm wiping my face off to make sure that I took. Now my face is so nice and clean, and I am going ahead to put my face all my facial moisturizer on my face. So you go ahead too, and look at this face now. Look at it. And I will be back. So good. So okay, go ahead and give your face a nice massage under your eye. And now is my clean face. I am done. I'm done washing my face, and this is how it. Want to make sure that whenever you are done with your makeup for the day, let's say if you are back from an outing, I know sometimes you really get tired, but I am telling you, if you don't have time to use like your face wash or just go ahead and use the wipe, but you always want to make sure that you do what? You wipe your face off. So again, this is my natural face, and thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Growing, so please make sure you hit the subscription button, you share with another sister so that we can grow this together. And